Okay.
Molybdenum Software Show session sponsored by Vidnis Manufacture working on frappix. I think I was piloting the end of the last session.
Yes. So I will start.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Shared screen. Start. All right. We were the runnables. Yeah. Okay. We tried to run the, not this. Stood. Oh yeah, this here. We just have to define the project.
It's just a name.
Yeah.
Call it manual. Is this project name? Is that Pascal case?
Yeah.
Okay.
Manual test.
Sure. Manual test deployment.
Goonicon workers.
What is that?
It's not here. Wait. Oh, it should be in test rig. It should be in test rig. Oh, what is this project called? Oh yeah, okay. Goonicon workers. Oh,
I suppose one.
Yeah.
It's the front end.
Yeah. Okay, seems to work. And what is that? Again, runnables. Just need to copy this. Okay. Escape, escape, cancel, escape. Not working. Q. What? Control C. Okay. Stood. This, run. Oh, it's my bad. I didn't really start the rotation time.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I did?
Mm-hmm.
It's not showing up here. Maybe.
It's your applet that messed up.
Oh. Just started again. Okay, it's running. Oh, I started the timer again.
It's fine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Well, it cannot open a window, can it?
No.
Do we want it to open a window? I don't want it to open a window.
Yeah. Me neither.
Can you? So now, like, can you just cancel this and build it and play with the like, call it with help.
Build. Okay.
Maybe Stid supports passing arguments to run through run.
Possibly, I'm not sure. I could try. Maybe something like this.
That's
It's
strange.
just stuck.
I don't think
Hangs.
it's stuck. Try without the extra hyphen, the separator.
That's the split cell.
I see. Okay, well, what happened?
There is args here. But what are these args for? But there is, I mean, I could just.
What happened to it with the separator? Is that deterministic?
Yeah, let's see. But it's
Funny.
just, this is also a new script, right? New shell script. It would it pass the arguments to the VM runner?
No.
Yeah, not by default at least, right?
Right. There's a script.
Yeah.
Okay. I get it. You see. Okay. Is that what we want? Do we want this the passing, the forwarding?
Yeah.
Because it's a thin wrapper around that, right?
Yeah.
Nothing else. Just so all arguments should go to that. How do we do that in new shell?
Pass through arguments. New shell. Arguments to commands, or I think. Yeah. Wrapped custom command. Anyway, I'll rotate.
Not sure. I think in a new shell script,
it's committed the qcow2 file. My bad.
I'll delete it.
Yeah.
Or someone will eventually.
There's still something hanging. Oh.
Shared.
Yeah.
How to pass all args of a new shell script to some command invocation. I asked the wrong thing. Let me grab this. I think we need to define a main. You see that? Only then you can get access to args.
Yeah.
So that's pretty simple. Where do I have a
curly?
Oh, we have a Nix packages here. Curly's. Okay. And then what was it?
Dollar args. I mean, 3 dots.
Spread.
Yeah.
Args.
Okay.
Might work. Might work. Just might work. I didn't actually do the thing. Cancel this. So if I hope the separator works.
Yeah. Oh, it's downloading it again for you. Consider adding a space between the def command's name. Oh, yeah.
Consider. I've considered and I've decided that I will add a space. The heck? What are we looking at?
Deployment.
We got the help of the new shell script.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. We need to call it with hyphen 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 hyphen.
Wow.
It's an unknown flag for the new shell script. Okay. New shell is being annoyingly helpful. So new shell is still helpful. You gotta tell it, hey, here I actually don't want you to be so helpful.
Mm-hmm. Well, what if we don't wrap it in a new script?
Well, no, we need this to like this actually runs in the background. We need to run this in a thread, and then we need to figure out the port forwarding.
Oh,
that
okay.
was the idea behind.
Right. Yeah.
But we do want to pass on the. So so this might work, but we're calling the script with help, which, and I hope that that arg will be passed on to the invoked command, but it's captured by, but it is acted upon by new shell, printing its own help for the script. Come on.
Oh, you need to add wrapped for the main function, I think.
Def wrapped main.
Yeah.
I can try that. I don't mind.
For flags.
Interesting syntax. Think it's interesting?
Yeah.
It's like def is a command that takes a flag.
Yeah. Oh, nice. There you go.
That looks like we got the QEMU.
Uh-huh.
So okay, so without help, let's see what happens. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got the window. We got MySQL and stuff. We got a login screen, which we can, I don't know, go here, ignore. We don't get a pass through here of the log.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know what's going on, but check this out. There's like, if you do Alt 1, no, Alt Control 1, what is it? What is this? Machine. Check this out. Control Alt, yeah, we are in Control Alt 1, but you have compat monitor serial, and so Alt Control 1, 2. Hey, this is not Alt. 1, 2. Some QEMU thing.
Mm-hmm.
3 is like whatever this is. This is the serial. It's actually a pretty nice feature because look, this is VGA, so
Yeah.
it's going to give you whatever font, it's VGA. It's like right, it's like an image buffer.
Yeah.
Right, and this is a serial console, so I got my own font,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like my own size of the window terminal, and
Yes.
and 4 is I don't know what that is, so I have nothing here. Yep. So we got we. You think? What do we want to do? We want to actually manual test. So I think, like at this point, we want to just be able to let's rotate. We want to be able to headless it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I even think it maybe should be headless by default.
Mm-hmm.
Because who cares, right?
Yeah.
But what if we want to get the logs? Where will the logs be?
Oh.
I think the logs should be printed. Either we print the log to some file.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not sure at least for the forwarded port, right?
Yeah.
We want that to print and like be available. Logs will swallow it immediately.
Right.
So I'm thinking, but like it's also much more convenient if the logs just printed in that terminal, right?
Yeah. I mean, either is fine.
Like, but like, how is there a design that is not either, that is like both in a reasonable manner?
Like both file and the std.
Both we get the logs,
Mm-hmm.
the journal printed
Mm-hmm.
in std.air,
Mm-hmm.
and we somehow let the user know what the port forward, the automatically selected port is. HTTP. We could use system notifications to let the user know what the port is.
Yeah. Yeah.
We could ask the user for a port interactively. Even I bet Nushell has a thing for that. And then it's in maybe even not interactively. Maybe this Nushell script can be like take because if it can do help, then it can obviously do some argument parsing, right?
Mhm.
So maybe we can take an int for the port, and it will, give us a nice error message if the user did not provide a port. Does that make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
So that all depends on whether the QEMU invocation, right,
Mm-hmm.
can take that port forward. So exactly, do the help and read the long output here. Maybe search for forward. Grep won't, because it's multiple line.
Okay, I'll search in the forward. Oh, wait, what? I thought this was go to this select mode and forward. Forward.
Okay. Not this.
Next. Next. Or your next.
Do previous.
Previous shift N. There's nothing. Oh,
Really?
there's only one result. That's why.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's not.
But it should be in this network options, right?
What
If
about
there's
TCP ports equals spec?
TCP port. Oh, this? Yeah, yeah.
Or what is map guest adder? It's
Map
the address, I
host.
don't think. Let's see what let's take a look at the QEMU the NixOS test thingy in Nix packages, see what that does, because there's an option. We'll find out.
Next packages. Next first test. Oh, this will be there we are. No, not
It's
here.
NixOS lib test, not hyphen. I don't know. There's a hyphen. Yeah, test.
Testing Python test driver.
Who knows?
Oh, run test. I saw run test here. Yeah, that's probably it. Start. You can start here. Eval
I bet it's
test.
run. Maybe run.
Maybe run. Oh, the run.nix. NixOS lib testing run.nix.
Can't you do GF to go to the file?
GF. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. It's not nvim.
Yeah, but it does have GF go to file URL instructions.
So do we have port forward anywhere here? Otherwise, you can search port forward the entire NixOS, Nix packages.
It was forward port, right? Something like that.
Ah, that's beyond me. You can search that in our code base in frappix.
Yeah, it is forward ports. Forward ports. Not this. Not this. Need something. Modules virtualization. Nix Chemo VM. This one. This the one.
Probably.
Should I finish this
Search
and
for
run
it
rotate?
again.
Okay.
Search for no, in the same file.
or in the same file. Forward ports.
That's assertions. Again?
Yeah. Again.
There.
Oh yeah, there you go. Host forward and guest forward.
Is that in the help?
I believe I saw something like that. Oh.
We can rotate.
Yeah. Right.
So this file is access modules virtualization.
QEMU-VM.net.
QEMU-VM. Start set. Going to next packages. So as modules, virtualization, QEMU-VM, next. Host forward something. And the help. Did I get the help?
Yeah.
Here's a help.
Host FWD.
FWD.
Yeah.
What the heck? Rule. This is under NetDev.
Mm-hmm.
And this is under, it's all the same. I think, yeah, it's under NetDev. NetDev, so what does this do here? What are we looking at? Forwarding options, right?
Uh-huh.
And then they're used here. Here's the beginning of the flag, right? NetDev user ID user.0. Who is user.0? So these are like flag arguments. User, ID user. And like we don't know that this is necessary, right? These parts.
Yeah.
This is the part that we're interested in for certain forwarding options. Restricted network option. We don't really know that we need this.
Mm-hmm.
We also don't know that what we're calling is not a wrapper that already takes some arguments, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do we?
We don't.
Huh. That's interesting. We could just try.
Yeah.
And then whatever the heck this is. No, this guarantees that it's a wrapper, like, because this is the wrapper. Am I right? Like, this is the wrapper. We're using this whether we're using NixOS tests or not.
Mm-hmm.
This is NixOS modules virtualization QEMU-VM. This builds our VM. It's like the question is, can this be inserted more than once? Right?
Mm-hmm. It should be able. We should be able to, because it's a list of addresses, right? Forward ports.
No, but it's not going to be forward ports. It's about whether this flag can be entered more than one. Because it'll be entered once. This will happen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we then add another one? Let's just try. So let's just kind of try to translate this. And let me close. What is jobs? I don't need that. Let me bring this in here. And then we can do it. We can do it manually, right? So we can take this, grab this, put it here, and it can do, I don't know what this is, stood. And then like, well, wait, is this what I wanted to bring in? No, that's what I wanted to bring in. Net dev, right?
Mm-hmm.
What happens when I do this? Requires an argument. Okay, that's sounds good. Host forward equals
Host.
TCP, right?
Yeah.
Colon address
Localhost.
host
I don't know.
address 2 string host port plus guest address. I don't know what the guest address is though.
Uh-huh.
No, it's a hyphen here.
Yeah.
I don't know what the guest address is. Can we find out the invocation? That I bet we could. But what if we do? Okay, I mean it is localhost.
Yeah.
It's 127.0 dot 0.
Why is there a colon after hyphen?
Shouldn't be.
I don't see in the.
There shouldn't be. 127.0.0.1 port. That would though maybe 80, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a comma there, but I don't think we need it. So let's try this, okay?
Yeah.
Parameter ID is missing. Okay, well, that's like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what that is for. So it needs to be this way. ID equals user. I don't know. User 0. I mean, who knows what this is? Duplicate ID. User 0 for NetDev. Okay. It's user 1. Parameter type is missing.
It's user.id.
Sorry?
Is it user.id? What is that? Instead of just ID?
I'm not sure what you're suggesting.
In line 1301, it's netdev user ID is equal to user.0.
It's not a dot, it's a comma.
Oh.
Now type is missing. Do you see type here?
No. Maybe user is the type. User, comma.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Bad host address. You don't take names, right? It doesn't take names. Shouldn't it delete the L? Okay. Oh, the invocation was accepted.
NetDev user.1 has no peer.
I see. Interesting. So where does 0 appear? I wonder what's going on here. So this declares what does it do? Should probably rotate and read some docs about this, but okay, let me put this just as code, right?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, maybe this doesn't work. I don't know not sure when this works and when this doesn't. I'm like trying to yank this with Y, and I'm like, let me go to my other desktop and see my clipboard. It never reaches the clipboard. It's some local yank. Not sure what, like Control Shift C. I don't think Control Shift C does that. No. Mouse works. This should work, right?
Yeah. Sharing. Shared. Okay. Help. I think we will also need this to get rid of that peer error warning, whatever we received.
Yeah, but okay. So that means we will get an additional device, which we may want, right? We may want, because we have like hard coded this zero device, right? And we cannot use it because it already has a netdev invocation, and it's like you can't append to it. So we need a new device. Sounds right to me. Mhm.
So if I run netdev is equal to user.1 model, what this should not give us any error, or the no peer thing. Yeah. Yeah, looks like it. I don't have the window, but yeah. Okay, close this. And I'll add this line to the code. Runables.
Probably want to start breaking lines here.
Yeah. So back. Something like that. Wait. Word IO. Yeah. This. Okay. Just we keep this as user.1. I think it doesn't matter.
As long as we have full control and we know
Yeah.
that user 0 is an NixOS
Yeah.
device.
Okay. Now we should do the headless.
Well, the port itself should. The whole point of this was to ask the user for the port, right?
Yeah. Or we could pick a random port and just print it.
But then they have the printing problem, right?
Mhm.
Not sure how to deal with the printing problem. That's why I thought we might ask the user for a port, which is a reasonable compromise, right?
Yeah, it's manual anyway.
As long as we get you see these args, we can do like the spread args, but before those spread args, we could do typed arguments to have names, and we'll get good help if they're not typed, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe they are not positional. Maybe the port is a required flag.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe we can try.
What a better CLI? There's the port is a required positional, or that the port is a required flag?
If it's required, I would keep it positional.
Okay.
But yeah.
Fine by me. It's fine by me. So do you want to do that?
Okay.
I'm not saying I know
ask.
how to.
Yeah.
No shell
Define
script required positional typed argument port, let's say, because maybe it'll tell us, hey, you can even limit it range something. Okay, now ask it for like say, oh, and also any number of any number of following arguments, subsequent arguments.
Yeah. I think that looks good. So what we need here is we have main, and we need the square bracket here instead of the rounded. And
interesting.
Yeah, port will be int, and that's a comma dot spread args, and we just use that port here. Dollar port. Spread it. I do have to spread that also. No, but I'll have
need
to.
a template string. Dollar quotes.
Oh, dollar quotes. Or I can just wait. Why can't I just do dollar port?
No. The string is a template string. The syntax for a template string is dollar quotes.
Okay. Dollar quotes.
No, the whole string.
This one. The
thing that is an argument. The string that is an argument. Like strings can be not quoted, but is that it's like a subset of characters is okay for that. But as soon as you want interpolation or spaces or any other special characters, you need to quote.
Yeah, and I'll just rotate. Oh,
It's an actually reasonable language.
Uh-huh.
We keep We keep adding diffs of this QCal.
Yeah, it's my bad. I need to. We probably get to ignore it at this point.
Yes. Okay. Did I share?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me move this away. And so there should be a git ignore, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's no QCal here. Nix. Nixago. Whatever this is. I would say this is a Nix packages thing, right?
Yeah.
So anywhere you see a .qcal2, that's fair game. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now remove it. No? Then why didn't this work?
Because it's a git ignore now. So git rm.
The expansion didn't work, but
Oh.
it did work. Let me mob next that. Because yeah, we're going to run it again and okay. Okay, what are we doing here? I think there was a space here, at least in the example. And here, there's probably, if I get the key right, probably want this. And okay, so what's an argument?
Port.
This is an argument. So that should be a string, and now we want this to be a template string, or whatever that's called. Now we can embed. This is how a reasonable language behaves, right? This. Stood. Hey, you're supposed to complain, hey. Wait, it's building it. No, it's building it.
Yeah.
Expected operator. What am I looking at? What's the problem? Expected operator. Is this like wrong back spacing here? It's like not the
New shell way of doing it.
okay. New shell.
Escape.
Spreading argument. I don't know. Command arguments cross multiple line. Could have also said escaping.
Yeah.
Line feed.
Line feed. So you just
Use
enter.
parentheses. Multi-line expressions. With a spread, you spread a list. So a list can span multiple lines.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Sure. It's actually, I don't know, kind of refreshing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Rather refreshing. So
Yeah, looks right.
I don't know. Maybe if this is supported, now we're spreading inside a list, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think it might work, might not work. I don't know if we can spread inside the list.
It does work. Yeah. Or we don't know
Look
yet.
at this nice error message.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's make it like, I don't know, local port. What casing is this supposed to be?
Host. Isn't it host port?
Host, right?
Yeah.
Port.
Mhm.
Is this the right casing?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine.
I think so. Well, this kind of ideally should come from somewhere, some source of truth. Obviously, this is not right. Maybe we should give it something. It should come from like, sorry, configuration dot config dot services dot frappe. Are we going like? Is this going to be just Goonicorn?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So just we're going to like find the Goonicorn, right? So I don't know, something like Goonicorn port.
Gunicon is
something like that.
probably its own service.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
just putting it out there. Okay, it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to find at least, I don't know, do that?
Yeah,
See if we
okay.
can figure out the.
All right. Frappix. Next, we want test rig, right? Test rig.
Maybe. Let's see the NixOS module.
Mm-hmm. Frappe NixOS module.
I suppose.
There's Nginx. SCA.
Interesting to see that engine. There's like Nginx is part. It's part of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it is Nginx that
Yeah.
that gets included or set up automatically and exposed publicly.
Yeah.
So let's see what that is. Search report. Transport.
It's probably the default port, so
Well, in that case, figure out what the option is for the Nginx port.
this one. Default HTTP listen port. Okay.
But hold on. I mean, it ends up being this one. But does the frappix Nginx usage declare a vhost?
This one, you mean? virtualhost?
Yes. For each site, you get a virtual host, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't quite in. Okay, in KTLS for SSL. Oh boy. Okay. Wow. Okay. We have SSL to contend with here. We're not going to. I don't even. I think we're going to like force SSL. It's like. Okay. I get it. But they exist. See my point.
Mm-hmm.
The vhost virtualhosts exist, and each one gets a port, right? Is that like there is a port, but the contract is one port, isn't it? Because this just hard coded this way.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but like, so what's the default SSL port? Because it seems like
This is the one. Default SSL is input.
yeah, it seems like this is the one that we are we have to use, which kind of brings us to certificates.
Yeah.
But yeah, configs services nginx.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Go ahead.
What did I do? Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You did not paste over. You pasted in.
Yeah.
Before services nginx for sales import. Okay. And let's change the parameter name to host SSL port.
Does
Just
that
to make it super clear.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we might even try it now that it might work. You know.
Okay. No, nothing like
Just
this.
give it a port, because otherwise you give.
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. It'll build once. Oh, you what? Oh, you have to we have to string it. Oh, that's a Nix thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Could not open. Okay. Well, we have to figure this out.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good work, Shivaraj.
Yeah.
Let us thank you, Vilnius Manufacture for sponsoring.
Thank you.